Yeah. You know, somebody who did that got, Mommy, somebody who did that got his leg stuck on that.
Oh, yeah?
Uh-huh.
Are you okay, love? So Victor's turn.
This is kind of fun.
So did anybody help the kid who got his leg stuck?
Yep.
Oh yeah? Who?
Huh?
Who?
His grandma. Oh no, his mommy. Your turn. Okay, I'm gonna climb up. I'm gonna climb up again.
Come on.
Oh,
Be strong.
I'm strong. You don't. I know. Come here. I'm strong.
Put your foot here first. There you go. There you go.
Yay.
I'm strong.
Where's your one, Paul?
Here.
Keep going. Now, Shaga. Wrong.
What?
Oh,
Yeah,
almost
Shaga.
gonna jump off. Oh my goodness.
Get!